This SAP error did not just break my automation. It forced the system to learn something new. And that single failure completely changed how my SAP VBA framework handles risk, exceptions, and future reservations. Now let's run a full simulation on the MB21 sheet. The process starts from row 68. For every material reservation request, the automation first checks the no-go matrix before creating any reservation in SAP. If the combination is considered safe, the reservation gets created successfully. But if SAP throws an unexpected business error, the automation captures the exception, logs the evidence, and updates the learning layer automatically. In this simulation, most reservations are processed successfully. But near the end of the run, two different errors appear. That happened because we intentionally deleted an entry from the no-go matrix to test whether the automation could learn again from SAP behavior. The first risky scenario appears at row 68. Later in the process, the same pattern appears again near row 78. This confirms that the protection rule was missing, and SAP exposed the same business risk again. But this time, the automation does not ignore the problem. It captures the SAP error, stores the evidence, updates the no-go matrix, and prevents the same scenario from continuing in future runs. This is no longer simple SAP scripting. This is process intelligence, built on top of SAP automation. The first no-go matrix entry is the one we manually deleted earlier. At that point, the automation temporarily forgot this risky SAP scenario. But watch what happens next. The second entry was recreated automatically by the framework itself. The same SAP exception appeared again. The automation detected the pattern, captured the failure, and rebuilt its own protection rule dynamically. This is no longer simple SAP scripting. The framework is now learning operational risks from real SAP behavior. Today it learns from SAP MM failures. Tomorrow, the same intelligence can evolve across procure to pay, order to cash, inventory intelligence, and enterprise-wide SAP operations.